You guys need some high quality, pure carbon fiber hotness on the front of your STI? These are the Password JDM carbon fiber Canards. Ticka ticka, ah. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Password JDM carbon fiber front Canard specific for the 08 through 14 STI. Got them right here. Let's just go ahead and take them out of the package. Set that off to the side. And these are the beautiful full carbon fiber upper Canards. Now, they have a wonderful, beautiful weave. I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up. So if you're looking for style points, these things are absolutely gorgeous. But the function of a Canard is to basically direct airflow up and over, right? And so in doing that, it also creates downforce. So these are a functional piece as well, especially for you guys who race out on the circuit or fast tracks. You can basically combine these with like a front splitter, your rear wing, and really dial in the downforce on the front and the rear of the vehicle, providing more front end grip, more stability, especially through high speed corners. And they just work incredibly well. Now they do come with small, I guess we'd call these like what, pilot holes, where they recommend you drill through to mount it in. You don't have to do that, but I would probably recommend following that, and then you just insert the hardware through your front bumper. So they're very easy to install. It is directly molded specific for the STI front bumper, so it does make for a nice, easy, and clean install because you're not putting on some generic flat plane, right? Because obviously the STI is a very curvy bumper, and they take that into account. And so everything fits up nice and flush, nice and perfect, beautifully molded, very high quality carbon fiber. Of course, it comes UV coated, and that way, you know, sun has a very weird property in that, especially with carbon fiber, where it will really fade carbon fiber quickly. And so the UV coating that they put on these will greatly help reduce that fading, and these should last years and years while still looking just absolutely beautiful. And that's what you want, especially if you're buying, you know, high-end carbon fiber pieces. You want it to look good. Now if it's a track only vehicle, you don't really care, but you're probably going with the dry carbon, which doesn't come with any coating. But this nice pure carbon fiber comes with a beautiful high gloss UV protected finish on it to keep it lasting a long time. And this is pure carbon fiber through and through. There's no fiberglass backing or anything like that. It's just a carbon fiber Canard. This is the upper. They do sell an upper and lower if you want to combine two for even more downforce or more street cred. Whichever way you're going, it works both ways, which is pretty cool. But just a beautiful piece all around. Check them out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.